So I bought this snowmobile back in, I think it was October, November this year. Anyway, I bought it off the guy. It wasn't running, and he said it just needed a tune-up. Anyway, so I went through this thing. I rebuilt the fuel pump. I redid all the fuel lines, changed the spark plugs, put on a fuel shutoff valve because it didn't have one of those from the factory. And yeah, it's been pretty good so far. It's a 2-up, so it's nice. I can take my missus out with me. So I've already been out on this for a little bit this evening, but the electric start's really nice. And she's already warm, so I'll just start her up here. Oh, she's a 500 liquid cooled, electric start. It's got pull start too. Heated grips front and rear. I don't think if it's got any other cool features. It's a 98, so it's not really loaded with all the crazy features and stuff of all the new sleds, but one of the things I really like is it's got reverse down here. So if I don't know, put myself up against some eaves trough or something, I don't need to pick up the front end and drag it around. I just throw in reverse and back we go. These are both proof that you don't need to go out and spend like $25,000, $30,000 on a snowmobile to go out and have a little bit of fun.
Take a zero off, pay $2,500 or $3,000.
Yeah, you're going on the same trail. You're probably going the same speed. And I think this is like $1,500 well spent. Nothing like walking out your front door, going for a rip. Go over to Tim Hortons, grab yourself a hot chocolate. It's roll-up season. I can't wait to get told to play again. Oh, sick. I get to play again. That's awesome. Thanks, Tim Hortons.